In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up DNS records for your domain in Cloudflare. We'll walk through where to find your DNS settings, how to view what's already there, and how to add or edit records confidently, all while keeping things clear and approachable. First, open your Cloudflare account and sign in. On the main dashboard, you'll see a list of your domains. Hover your cursor over the specific domain you want to manage. This reveals quick actions. Click the three dots next to that domain, then choose Configure DNS. That opens the DNS panel for this domain. Here you can see all your DNS records at a glance. You'll notice columns for the record type, the name or host, the content or target, time to live, and whether traffic is proxied through Cloudflare. Take a moment to review what's already set up so you don't accidentally duplicate or conflict with existing entries. When you need to add a record, use the Add button. Choose the type that fits your goal. An A record points a name to an IPv4 address, while A.A is for IPv6. A SNAME points a name to another host name. MX handles mail routing, and TXT is commonly used for verification. In the name field, you can use the root of your domain or a subdomain. For the target or content, enter the correct server address or host provided by your service. If you're unsure about TTL, the automatic option is a safe default. You can also edit existing records. Select the record, update the values, and save. If the proxy toggle is available, decide whether you want Cloudflare's Orange Cloud enabled for performance and security, or DNS only if you're troubleshooting or need a direct connection. Changes usually propagate quickly, but some providers may take a little time to reflect updates. Within this page, you can configure settings according to your specific naming needs. Be consistent with how you label hosts, and keep your record types aligned with the services you're connecting. Use the built-in filters at the top of the list to narrow by type or proxy status, which makes managing larger zones easier. You can also review your name servers. Cloudflare assigns a pair to your domain. Make sure the ones listed here are the ones your domain uses. If they don't match, updates may not take effect as expected. That's it. By opening your Cloudflare account, hovering to your domain, clicking the three dots, and selecting Configure DNS, you can see all your records, add new ones, edit existing entries, and fine-tune names, name servers, and filters with confidence.